Now we see the trail of a project. This project is developing the applications of the electricity billing system. First of all, we see the project statement. Here a buyer wanted to this project. First of all, the name your project and prepare the database first. Then second, then will the multiple types of the user. First of all, 4 types of user have this project. First of all, have admin, second biller, and consumers and manager. The biller can add, update and delete the meter, add, update and delete user, can replay the complaint of the consumer. The biller can add the bill, use the total unit, and then see the total bill of every user. Then the consumer can see her bill and payment using the payment gateway, then complain her problem. The manager only see the all types of statement and user activities, biller activities, consumer activities. First of all, when any user can't log in, then a new consumer can apply for a new connections, and all user can log in using a same login system. The bill calculation system using the following formula. Then the description, the buyer says to use the table name, user, meters, bill details, transaction and computer. First of all, we design the database, then go to the jump. Then we created all types of table in the database name electricity billing system. Second one, we see the relationship between the table name and all types of attributes. Here we see the relationship between this table. Then we see the interface of this project. First of all, we see the home page, and here any user can join. He is a guest. Then a new user can only apply for a new connection. Then go to apply and then name, the phone number, address, message, then submit her application. Okay, now we see the all types of user in this database. First of all, we logged in the email and the phone number, using the email and the phone number. First of all, logged in the admin. The admin email name tarikul.csc5, the password 5. Then press the login button. Okay, this show the admin panel. The admin see the meter list, all types of meter. If you wanted to delete, then it's can possible. Then all types of user list, and admin can edit the user status. Then admin can see the new application, a new application sent by Rahat. If he wanted to read, then read, or delete, then delete. If he press the read button, then add to the seen application, otherwise the unseen application. Then a user can see a complaint. If a consumer can send the complaint, then a admin see the all types of complaint, and he can replay this complaint. And if you wanted to send complaint write types replay, then send the replay, and all complete is finished. Then a admin add can new user, just email name, shaikhat.cc5.view@gmail.com password 1 2 3 4 5 type their types showing the use the drop down menu admin and add user. Okay, the user is added in the user table. Now we refresh the user table and we see the new user. Okay, the new user login is email name and password and types admin. Then we log out the admin panel. Second, we log login using the biller account. Then log rahat.cc5, then login. Now we see the billing address, all types of meter and meter ID and the meter username and all types of meter bills and types of meter, the unpaid billings. If a biller submit the entry bill, then he add the new bill. Now we calculate the bill. The meter ID name, meter ID is 3, then entry bill meter ID, press the 3 and total unit we assume 400, then add bill. The bill is added. They automatically calculate the bill using this formula. Total unit 400 and total bill is calculated. Now we logged out the biller and we log in the consumer. First of all, we go to the consumer. Okay, sime.csc5.view, then the password 5. Okay, here we see the all types of billing in the see the month of meter bill, the username show. If a consumer can pay her bill, then we will add it the payment gateway in the next time. Now the shortcut formula, then if we click the payment button, then payment is completed. You can complain your complaint. If I submit any complaint, then show the all types of complaint, and if we send the complaint, then we go to the form and write some complaint. I have some complaint, then send the message. Okay, the complaint, your complaint. Okay, I have some complaint. Our complaint is added. Then we log in, use the manager ID, manager. Okay, shows the manager email name, shows. Okay, there is the manager manager page. I am a manager, and a manager can see all types of user list, meter list, consumer list, all types of activities. Then if you wanted to log out to the all types of page, then press the logout button. In this project we use the only raw PHP. Here we see some style, a little bit of style, and in this project we use some functionality, PHP functionality, and use the PDO and connect the MySQL database, use the PDO. If you need the source code, then check the description below. Thank you everyone.